Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this bicycle rim. Let's start. Firstly we opening a new part, and then in front plane we are going to create a sketch. Basically I took a line and I made 2 points and converted these ones to a construction line. First point will be 10 millimeter. The other point will be 195 millimeter, and in these points we are creating a rectangle. This is going to be equal. This is a 10 millimeter and 60 millimeter high. First is ready, and we are just making a planar surface, and after operation our sketch hided. We open it again and we are choosing our right plane. In this position is right plane, logical one, and we are opening here a plane again, just basically one plane and 1 point. And in this plane we open a sketch and a line. I just put it here, and with point and the line relationship I choose midpoint, and I will go create here another line. This is going to be for my angle dimension 5 degree and 160 millimeter long line. And now we use extrude surface, and basically our line and surfaces are ready. We are going to be making loft. We choose 2 points, and first one we open a tangency to face, and factor is 1. Now we are going to create cuts. First in top plane we open there a sketch. From origin 120 millimeter I made a line, and we took a spline going to start from this corner and to here, and just a little bit giving them angle. This angle going to be 55 millimeter, and this factor going to be 65. This one 150, and point to here is going to be 15, and our curve here will be minus 90 degree, which is tangent to our surface, our how to say Z direction. And now I'm going to be making a mirror, and by this line I made mirror. Using a construction line always helpful. I recommend you to use always, and we delete this unnecessary surface. Now we go create another cutout in the front plane, and now our dimension will be 110 millimeter, and a spline again starts from here to here, and we just give our dimensions. Now this is going to be 8 high, factor going to be here 80 millimeter, and here 120 millimeter, and we are turning to this to again 90 value. And now we are going to make a mirror again, and our profile is ready. Now we can make again a split. By sketch and using split line I am cutting unnecessary parts in the surface. Basically the thing that we are doing, that it is now this, and we are going to make a thickened surface and 2.5 millimeter thickness from middle. Our part is ready. Now I am going to give a color, and we are making now a chamfer on both surface. Value going to be 1.5, and also I am choosing other surface. Both sides will be now chamfered. We can give our chamfers another color. As you see here, basically operation is like that. And we are going to make a revolve here now, or we are going to make an extrude. It is basically two circle, 25 and 55 out. In the middle operation we are choosing mid plane and 80 millimeter thick rounded part, and body again going to be colored, and on the corners we made 2 times 10 radius. Now I am going to make a revolve cut. Let's look our part from front plane and opening here at sketch. Basically we are making here a rectangle shape part sketch. I am choosing midpoint, and when I make horizontal, now my part is in the middle. Dimension here 10 millimeter from corners and 12 millimeter deep, and on the these corners going to be 10 millimeter radius. And I forget to add a construction line here, because revolve always working with the center axis of revolution. And I am creating here now a 2 times radius, and inside a chamfer. Now I'm going to make this surface also another color. We make them white, as you see. And now going to be our circular pattern. For a circular pattern we need a circular surface or an axis, and this is an individual body, and I choose my body, and 18 times in this center we are making a circular pattern. And I look from top plane and I open here a sketch, and 410 millimeter a circle, and with extrude cut throughout both flip side of the cut I'm saying, and I'm cutting unnecessary part which is outer in the outer of our circle. Now we are going to make a last step. Again from front plane we are looking, and here one line, and I am making an offset in this line 220 millimeter, and connecting these two lines and make all of them a construction geometry. Now we are here creating a rectangle again. Basically we can make a line in the middle option, my box in the middle, as you see. Now from one side when you change the value, the other side also moving, and this is going to be 30 millimeter, this is going to be 18 millimeter, and our radius on the corner will be 12. This is also ready. We are making a revolve, Normally we could make maybe a little bit much more complicated surface, but I'm just going to use a shell command to make sure I'm not spending much time on sketch, because sometimes users having problem with sketch. 2.5mm radiuses, and body again going to be colored, and just on the edges and the radiuses I will change my color, which is giving a nice effect to this model. This one I'm choosing, and after this operation everything is done. If you want, you can make everything combined with the combine feature. Then some colors of the corners can be changed. Then you need to give another colors. Thank you for watching. I hope it is a nice and useful video. I like this model I saw randomly on internet and I wanted to make for you. If you like my video, please make a comment and click the like button. Thank you for watching again.